Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, let's start our English class. In last class, we have completed our question time exercise, isn't it? Yes. Hope you all are understood that one and did what with that one, isn't it? Yes, you all sent me also. Okay, now students, open your companion, fourth lesson, first page, that is 25th page. Okay, 4a, open it. Okay, this is free response, children. That means the child have to do on his own. That's why I will explain it. I will not tell the answers, but I will explain it. Try to do by yourself. Okay, let's start. See, look at your surroundings. Choose a tree and gather information about it by asking people. That means around us what will be there in surroundings? Houses will be there, trees will be there, plants will be there, bushes, all things we will have in our surroundings, isn't it? From that surroundings, choose one tree, children. Okay, choose one tree, and from that one tree only we have to gather some information. ఓకే, ఒక ట్రీని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. మన సరౌండింగ్స్లో ఉన్న ఒక ట్రీని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని ఆ ట్రీ గురించి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కలెక్ట్ చేసి వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫిల్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ నో. విల్ యూ డూ? ఎస్, వీ విల్ సీ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆల్సో. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రీ? Name will be there, no? For a tree, names will be there. What? It's banyan tree, neem tree, isn't it? Like that, trees will be there. Okay, you have to write the name of the tree. And how old is the tree? How old is the tree? That means the tree age you have to write. If you don't know, means ask your elders. They will know, no? Your parents or grandfather or grandmother will be there at your home. Yes, ask them and write the age of the tree there. And how is the tree useful? Each and every tree will use only. ఓకే, ప్రతి ఒక్క ట్రీ కూడా ఏదో ఒక విధంగా మనకి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఓకే, నో ట్రీ ఈస్ దేర్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ యూస్, isn't it? Then write one use, how the tree is useful for you. Okay, for example, we will get the oxygen from the tree, and we will get the fruits from the tree, and we will get the wood from the tree. Like that, different trees will be there, different uses also will be there for each tree, isn't it? Like that, write the use of the tree also. And how can we do to protect trees? Okay, what can we do to protect trees? That means what we can do? We should not cut off the tree, and we should give some manure for the tree, and we should give some space to the tree to live itself, isn't it? Nothing to do. మనం ఏమీ దానికి చెయ్యక్కర్లేదున్నా, బట్ ఒక కొంచెం ప్లేస్ ట్రీకి సెపరేట్గా ఇవ్వడం, అలాగే టు వాటరింగ్ ద ట్రీ సమ్ టైమ్స్, లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, హౌ కెన్ వి, వాట్ కెన్ వి డూ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ ద ట్రీ? ట్రీని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయడానికి మనం ఏం చేయాలో ఒక్కటి రాయండి, సరిపోతుంది. Okay, like that, write 4 questions, children. I know you can do very easy questions only. By looking at the tree, you can fill it, and draw the picture of the tree in this box. Okay, do you know how to draw the picture? As most of you know, isn't it? As by looking at the tree, you have to draw the picture here, children. Okay, is it clear about this exercise? You have to do it by your own, by selecting a tree at your surroundings, and fill these questions by gathering the information. Okay, children, now turn your pages to 26. In companion only, open 26. See now, complete the given sentences using the correct adjective or verbs from the help box. Refer to the pictures to identify the noun. One is done for you. Okay, One is done for you children already. You have to use adjective. Adjective means describing word and verb means action word. Isn't it? Already we know all this. Okay, now let's see. First example, let's see. The food in the pan is burnt. Now it is as dash as coal. In which color it is? Black. Already in help box they have given black word completed. Okay, remaining words see cold, cried, colorful. Okay, now let's write this. I love your dress. It is as dash as a dash. What it's there here? It is what? Yes, rainbow. How the rainbow will be? Very colorful. That means I love your dress. It is as colorful as as a rainbow. A rainbow. Okay, like that you have to write. Next, Ajay was hurt. He dashed like a dash. Okay, colorful completed now. Ajay was hurt. He dashed like a dash. Now what? Here baby is there. Isn't it? Baby, what the baby is doing? Baby is crying. That means Ajay was hurt. He cold or cried? Cried. He cried. C-R-I-E-D. He cried like a, what it's there? Baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. Okay, Ajay was cried like a baby. Now see next one. Badri was shivering. His feet were dash like dash. His feet were only one word left, that is cold. Okay, his feet were cold like, what is it? Ice. Okay, ice. His feet were cold like ice. Okay, like this you have to complete this activity also. Okay, this one you have to write down and next one you have to do it by yourself. Okay, do these two and send to me in WhatsApp children. Okay, this is about today's English class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.